Hi everybody, I am going to discuss 2010 networking MCQ. 2010 network MCQ. Question number 1. Before data can be transmitted, before data can be transmitted, before data can be transmitted, they must be transformed. They must be transformed to option A, periodic signal. Option A, periodic signal. Option B, electromagnetic signal. Electromagnetic signal. Option C, a periodic signal. Option D, low frequency sine wave. Low frequency sine wave. The correct answer is electromagnetic signal. Before data can be transmitted, they must be transformed to electromagnetic signal. So this is question number 1. Question number 2. Which of the following can be determined? Which of the following can be determined from a frequency domain graph? Which of the following can be determined from a frequency domain graph of a signal? Option A, bandwidth. Option B, phase. Option C, power. Option D, all of this. All of this. Yes, the answer is all of this. This is the question number 2. Question number 3. What is the bandwidth? What is the bandwidth of a signal? What is the bandwidth of a signal that range from 40 kilohertz? That range from 40 kilohertz to 4 megahertz. Option A is 36 megahertz. Option B is 3.96 megahertz. Option C is 360 kilohertz. Option D is 396 kilohertz. Now we know that 1 megahertz equal to 1000 kilohertz. Now 4 megahertz mean 4000 kilohertz minus there is a 40 kilohertz. Bandwidth is the highest frequency minus lowest frequency. So we have to subtract these values 0693, and you have to convert it into megahertz divided by 1000 equal to 3.960. Answer is 3.96. Option B is the correct answer. This is the question number 3. Next, question number 4. A signal is measured. A signal is measured at 2 different points. A signal is measured at 2 different points. The power is P1 at the first point. The power is P1 at the first point, and P2 at the second point. P2 at the second point. P1 at the first point, P2 at the second point. The dBs, the decimal is 0. This means option A, P2 is 0. Option B, P2 is equal P1. Option B, P2 is equal P1. Option C, P2 is greater than P1. And option D, P2 is less than P1. Answer is equal to. When the power that is different power is 0, there is no sound, that is equal to 0. P2 minus P1. Next, question number 5. If the maximum amplitude of a sine wave, is 2V, then minimum amplitude is minimum amplitude is option A 2V, option B 1V, option C minus 2V, option D between 2V and minus 2V. Answer is minimum minus 2V because it's operate 2V to minus 2V. This plus 2V to minus 2V. The maximum range to minimum range. Now the question number this is the question number 6. This is the question number 6. So previous question, the maximum range is plus voltage plus V and minimum is minus V. Next one is unipolar encoding. Unipolar encoding uses option A only one voltage level, that is the only one voltage level. Option 2 voltage level. Option 2 is 2 voltage level. Option C 3 voltage level. Option 4 none. And the right answer is unipolar mean 1 voltage level, that is operate either x-axis or y-axis, that is the 1 voltage level unipolar system. Next question is question number 8. In energy not return to 0 I is encountered. Option A, the signal is inverted. Option B, the signal is not inverted. Option B. Option C, both. Option D, none. Answer is signal is I for inverted. So answer is signal is inverted. This is question number 8. Now the question number this is question number 8. Bipolar encoding uses option A 2 voltage level. Option B 3 voltage level. Option C 1 voltage level. Option D none. Answer is bipolar encoding uses 2 voltage. Bipole it uses 2 voltage level. Next question number 9. In 4B by 5B encoding, option A, every 4 bit is encoded into 5-bit code. Every 4 bit is encoded into 5-bit code. Option B, every 8 bit of data is encoded. Every 8 bit of data is encoded into 10-bit code. Option C, every 12 bit of data encoded 15-bit of code. Option D, none. Answer is every 4 bit of encoded into 5-bit code. 4B to 5B. Answer is option A. And the last question of 2010. Microwave are used for option A, unicast communication. Option B, multicast communication. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none. Answer is definitely unicast. Microwave is mainly used for unicast communication. So this is the end of the 2010 question MCQ solution. In the next coming video I will discuss 2011, 12 up to 2019. Keep updated. Thank you very much.